Okay, so there were some questions about one of the assignments. So I'm going to go through the measuring portion of the disc brake. So this is, as we can see, this is number disc brake thickness measurements. And we've gone through all these other ones. So it's page 6, and we have all these questions. So the first thing is, what is the minimum thickness of this disc brake? It is right here. I don't know. This seems harder to read to me. But right here, you can see 28 mm. So, and it's looking for something in millimeters, as we can see right here. So 28. There we go. All right, on to the next question. And it asks, set the fixed measuring jaw of the brake disc thickness gauge on the right side of the point indicator. So here's the right side. So what it's us to do, I'm going to open it first, is place it there. And then we check and see if we did it right. Good. Okay. Now slide the adjustable jaw to the brake thickness gauge on the left side. So it gives us a little point where we're going to mark up. So I'm going to slide over and then check to see if I did it right. Very good. Whoops. Giving away the answers here. All right. Next one, it says measure the thickness. How thick is it? Okay. So on a metric vernier caliper, this is what this is a vernier caliper. You're going to start with the 0, and then you're going to look at what lines up. Okay, so we're going to start at 0. Where is 0 on this scale? So there's 30, 40, so that means 20 is over here off screen. There is 10 lines. Well, actually 9. The 10th one goes up. So there's 9 lines. So the 0 is between what? Well, 30, 29, 28. So it's between 28 and 29. So the first number we're going to have is 28 millimeters. But that won't work. Oh, I guess it will. But that's not the right answer. So let's go on and find the actual answer. If we move along the vernier and we watch which of these lines line up perfectly. And I see this one or this one, and almost this one. So this is 25 because it's half of these. Okay. And you can tell here it is 0.05 millimeters. So let's see if it will still like it. It's 28.25. Very good. That is the actual measurement of this. It's 28.25. Does this caliper still serviceable, meaning it has good size versus the 28 millimeters? Yes, it is 0.25 larger than the discard rate. All right, let's go to the next one. So let's slide open the jaws. Oh, and remove. There we go. Next one, it says turn the rotor. So I'm going to grab the rotor right here and just turn it. And you can see right here on the screen, this little gray arrow, and you want to match it up. Once again, you're going to measure 4 places. Okay, this is kind of your thickness variation. Slide this up. Okay, whoops. There we go. Now it's going to ask us, whoops, I should have cleared all that. Okay, so now it's going to ask us to measure that again. So I slide it closed. Okay, the number, where is this 0? Well, it's between 27 and 29 and 28. So it's 28 something. Okay. Now let's look down the line and see which ones line up. Oh, looks like the same size, 28.25. Okay. Now, on to the next one. How many millimeters is the thinnest place? So we'll bring this back up, close it. Okay, now where did it go? So the 0 is where? Well, it's not between these two anymore. It's now over here. So that's 27. 27 what? So I'm going to slide down the vernier until I see these lines match up perfectly right here. And there we go. The disc brake needs to be replaced. So that is how to do the vernier caliper on this assignment. Hopefully there's no other questions. If so, please just reach out. I'll get these things put together for you. Thank you.